To create this type of video from a single image, just go to the link in the description box. Click on chatgpt.com. Upload your product image. Copy this prompt. Paste it here and press Enter. Now ChatGPT will provide you with a couple of ideas. Now copy this prompt and paste it here. Select the idea and paste it on topic name, and then press Enter. Copy this prompt. Open Google Flow. Click on New Project. Upload your product image. Paste the prompt here. Select frames to video. 16:9 ratio. Select output numbers. VEO 3.1 fast model and press Enter. You can try multiple prompts to get the best result comparatively. Here is the result. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.